What? Free domain name, unlimited disk space and unlimited emails. Is this true? Let's dive into details. What is iPage web hosting service offering? This video's gonna be quite long. So, be patient to get the important information about iPage. In addition to offering users unlimited disk space, a free domain name, and an unlimited number of email addresses, iPage has numerous features that help you quickly and easily develop your site. You can choose from hundreds of pre-built website templates and themes. You can opt to use their mobile optimized website builder. Also, if you're not satisfied with the services you receive, iPage offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. About iPage. iPage was established in 1998 in Boston, Mass. And has grown into one of the most successful economical web hosting companies. Offering domain registrations, shared hosting, VPS and dedicated hosting, their platform is powering over 1 million websites. With discounts like this, iPage consistently attracting new customers. Currently, it's $1.99 per month to have a fully fledged hosting account at iPage, which beats every major competitor on the market. People launched a couple of websites utilizing iPage and found it not only to be responsive and lightweight but also a powerhouse that allows for incredible amounts of traffic and more advanced applications. Also, people who used iPage web hosting service over 10 years, they said from their experience that it has incredibly fast servers, an amazing track record of innovation and customer service. It's pretty easy to see why iPage has quickly become a top 10 level player in the web hosting world. Better Business Bureau A+ rating. iPage belongs to the Endurance International family. That's the company you will find on BBB. Being accredited by BBB means the business will make steps to handle customer complaints professionally. It'd be kind of an insurance policy for the customers. That said, I would prefer to do my research before buying, and not having to fill out complaint forms. So you are at the right place here. One final note on BBB. People usually go there when they have a problem with a company. That's why you'd often see a negative rating. 30-day money-back guarantee. It's always comforting to hear that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Some web hosts play trickery and will not give your money back in full. But not in iPage. If you are not satisfied for any reason, you can get your money back in full. No questions asked. Powered by renewable energy. It's a good thing to know that iPage buys enough renewable energy certificates, REC, to offset energy use by 200%. That's the equivalent of planting 244 acres of trees. Here is how RECs work. They are certificates proving that even though you buy your electricity from the grid, the portion you use is made from renewable sources. Otherwise, there is no way to tell where the energy originally is coming from through the grid. 100% uptime in the last 30 days. For 30 days 100% is a great score. The level they aim at is 99.99%. iPage had 100% uptime for the last 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days as well. It's a great score if you ask anyone. In most cases, WordPress installation loads fast enough. As usual, no issues in this area. Consistently one of the best web hosts, iPage has developed quite the following in business and personal circles as one of the go-to web hosting companies. The iPage support. The customer service team was always quick to answer any and all questions. If you have ever dealt with a hosting service in your life, you probably know that live chat is kind of like a first-line support. They fix the easy stuff, change settings, and point you in the right direction. Now, when there is an issue that requires an advanced set of skills, they will create a support ticket to the second-line support and leave you at that. Based on people's experience, second-line support does its job usually within 24 hours. In the case of server outages, you won't have to wait that long though. 24/7 uptime monitoring. Support is cool, but what's even more cooler is not having to contact support the first place. That's why network uptime is monitored 24/7. If anything goes bad, support can react immediately. Ad credits and more. Firstly, it gives $100 AdWords voucher. Start advertising your website instantly. You get $100 AdWords voucher, $50 Yahoo and Bing search credit, $50 Facebook ad credit and free Yellow Pages business listing. Isn't it cool? Secondly, free shop site. Award-winning ShopSite is one of the easiest to use shopping cart software for small to medium-sized businesses. Thirdly, WordPress. one-click WordPress installation and compatible servers. Fourthly, secure your site with SiteLock. You can find and fix malware issues and keep your site free of errors with SiteLock. Pretty standard stuff here for most of the top website hosts, but it's still a very robust feature set. iPage offers unlimited space and MySQL databases, great news for people working with applications or CMS programs that need the ability to communicate with MySQL, and the extensive features keep rolling with the capacity to host unlimited domains with unlimited bandwidth all from the same account. For anyone who's looking to host more than a single website or managing a business that deals with website hosting, this is fantastic news that will save some bucks. Easy on the wallet. Have you checked the hosting prices recently? In my estimates, a hosting package goes anywhere from $3 to $50 a month on average. Now for a limited time, you can get your website up and running for a measly $1.99 per month. That's a no-brainer even if you are on an extremely tight budget. Reliability in Uptimes. This is mission critical. Without solid reliability in Uptimes you could offer the coolest feature set at a fantastic rate, but if people can't get to your website because it's down all the time or the servers are crashing, you're going to be in a big pile of trouble. It happens. Like all other hosts, sometimes hardware fails or there is an unforeseen problem that needs to be addressed, but for the most part, iPage has a solid uptime record and history. As I said, iPage is among the 5 hosting companies I have a long-term hosting account with. Awesome control panel. Let's get real, not every business owner has the time to dedicate to learning all about how web hosting and online technologies work and integrate. Most people are looking for a quick and dirty solution to getting a fantastic website up and running, making sales and making money, and if you fall into that camp, then you are going to love this little feature from iPage. A couple words about security. If you have an e-commerce website with customer data, then you will probably value 24 hours on-site guards with closed-circuit television. iPage review for the real geeks. Now let's take a look at some of the geeky stuff. iPage has multiple gigabit and fiber optic connections of diverse backbones. This ensures more than enough bandwidth for your website in a redundant way. Summary. iPage is a reputable hosting provider with a solid history of performance and cheap pricing. If you're considering a hosting site, iPage is definitely worth a look. So, try iPage now. Check out the description box to get special offers and deals only for